Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will learn how you can automatically WhatsApp your firm's brochure when you receive a new response on Elementor. Let's say you run a resorts business and you have received a new response on Elementor. Now you want to send your firm's brochure to your potential customer via WhatsApp. So how will you do it? First, you can go to Elementor, copy all the user's response, come back, compose a message, attach your brochure link and then send it to every single user via WhatsApp. However, this can be a time-consuming process. So, how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here, we will integrate Elementor with WhatsApp, all using Pabbly Connect. So, whenever your Elementor receives a new response, a WhatsApp message along with your firm's brochure will automatically be sent to them. And the best part, this automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. So come to my screen to see how we do it. To use Elementor and WhatsApp for marketing of your resort, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see sign up free and sign in. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Elementor to WhatsApp. Create. Now it will show you two windows, Trigger and Action. Trigger is basically when this happens. Action says, do this. So let us select Elementor as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will select new form submission. Why? Because we want every time Elementor receives a new response, a WhatsApp message should be sent. Now it will show you a webhook URL. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. Let us copy this and go to Elementor's page. So this was the dummy form that I had created. Straight on the top, you will see Edit with Elementor. Click there. Now click anywhere in the form and you will see a menu on the left. Now click on Action after Submit. Here, just add webhook. And now you will see a webhook option in the menu. Click there and paste the URL that we had copied. Yes, this one, and just update. Alright, it's updated. Now let us go back to Pabbly and see what's happening. Okay, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now to check if it is working, if the connection is working, let us quickly go and fill a dummy form. Okay, I filled in this dummy form. You can say sample test as the name and other details. Now let us just click here. And the form has been submitted. Let us come back to Pabbly's page and see if it has received the response. Yes, here it is. You can see the name, the email address and the contact number. This means we have successfully integrated Elementor with Pabbly. Now on to the next step. Come down on the action window. Just write WhatsApp Cloud API. For the action event, we will select Send Template Message. Let us connect the two. Add new connection. Alright, here it will ask you for a few details. Now for this, let us go to developers page. Alright, come to the left hand side and you will see a WhatsApp drop down. Yes, click there and getting started. Now here you will see a temporary access token. Let us copy this. Come back to Pabbly's page. Paste the token key. Now it will ask you for the phone number ID. Again to the developers page, scroll a bit down. You will see the phone number ID. Copy this onto the Pabbly's page and paste. Now it will need WhatsApp business account ID. Again onto the developers page and right next to the phone number ID, you will see a WhatsApp business account ID. Copy this and back on Pabbly's page and paste, save. And it says connected. Alright, now let us map in a few details. Here it will ask you for the template name. We will just select Send Brochure Final. So this was the template that we had created. Basically a message that would be sent via WhatsApp to the user. So let us quickly see what the template looks like. Here it is. You can see hello and the name of the user will come, and then thank you for showing your interest, and so on. All right, on to the Pabbly's page. Now scroll down and map the recipient's mobile number, the person who you are sending this message to. So we'll take it from Elementor. Then it will ask you for the document URL. In this case, we'll be sending the brochure. So we will just paste the brochure's PDF link. Yes, here it is. Scroll down, and the title you have to give for your brochure. We will simply write brochure. Scroll down. Here the name of the person who you are sending this message to. So ours will be sample test, since it's just for testing purpose. Now let us go to the body field too and see what it is. Let us go back to template message here. Okay. So thank you for showing your interest in this. So we will basically write our business name, which is A to Z Resort. Okay. Now body field 3, let us go and see what body field 3 exactly here is. Yes. For more details, you can visit our website. So basically here you will have to give your website's link. So let us paste the website, the company's website, and save and send test request. Okay, it says response received. Now let us go to the user's WhatsApp account to see if they have received our WhatsApp message. You can see the brochure here as well as the text message. Hello sample test, that is the user's name, and thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Resort, that is our business name, and so on. And here is the brochure link you can see. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube.